Welcome back to Org Autocar, the channel where luxury meets innovation and automotive passion drives every story. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car launches and exclusive reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ultra-luxury sedans as we unveil the brand new 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680, the latest generation of one of the most prestigious and opulent vehicles on the planet. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is not just a car, it's a symbol of status, comfort, and craftsmanship perfected over decades. Mercedes has taken the already exquisite S-Class and elevated it into a world of its own, blending traditional elegance with futuristic technology and unmatched performance. Every detail of this vehicle has been refined to perfection, making it a true masterpiece for those who demand the very best. Let's start with the exterior design. The new generation S680 carries a more commanding presence with an elongated body, signature Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats, and the iconic Maybach emblem gracefully placed on the hood. The chrome detailing around the windows, bumpers, and side skirts gives it a regal yet modern look. New multi-beam LED headlights with digital light technology and a sleek taillight design enhance its presence even further. The two-tone paint scheme, an exclusive Maybach hallmark, adds another level of sophistication, allowing owners to personalize the look with hundreds of possible combinations. Step inside, and you enter an entirely different world, one where luxury has no limits. The 2025 S680 cabin feels more like a first-class lounge than a car interior. High-quality Napa leather, open-pore wood veneers, and intricate metal accents surround you in opulence. The new ambient lighting system with customizable color themes creates an atmosphere tailored to every mood. Rear passengers enjoy fully reclining executive seats with massage, ventilation, and heating functions, along with calf rests and built-in neck warmers. The extended wheelbase ensures generous legroom, while the sound insulation creates a near-silent environment, making it the perfect car for CEOs and world leaders. Mercedes-Maybach has integrated the latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system with improved voice control and personalized profiles. The massive OLED central display, 3D driver's display, and dual rear entertainment screens allow passengers to stay connected or simply enjoy the ride in total comfort. The Burmester 4D surround sound system with active noise cancellation and resonating seat speakers delivers a concert-like experience inside the cabin. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 continues to be powered by a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing around 621 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 9G-tronic automatic transmission in the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Despite its size and weight, this luxury giant accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.4 seconds, delivering smooth, effortless power every time you press the pedal. Mercedes engineers have optimized the suspension with the latest e-active body control system, which scans the road ahead and adjusts the damping in real time, ensuring a cloud-like ride regardless of road conditions. The S680 isn't just about power, it's about poise. The Maybach mode enhances comfort by smoothing out every bump and optimizing the gear shifts for a graceful, silent drive. Rear axle steering helps maneuver this long sedan effortlessly, even in tight city streets. In terms of safety and driver assistance, Mercedes continues to lead the segment. The 2025 S680 comes equipped with the latest suite of active safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The new generation also introduces more autonomous driving functions, allowing semi-autonomous operation in certain conditions, further highlighting Mercedes-Benz's forward-thinking vision. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 also embraces sustainability. Though powered by a V12, it now includes mild hybrid EQ boost technology that improves efficiency and reduces emissions. It's a subtle but meaningful step toward a more responsible form of luxury. Every inch of the new S680 showcases the attention to detail that defines Maybach. From the illuminated door sills to the retractable champagne cooler and handcrafted silver-plated flutes, this vehicle embodies the philosophy that luxury is not about what you need, it's about what you deserve. With this new generation, Mercedes-Maybach once again raises the bar for ultra-luxury sedans. The S680 isn't just a car to be driven, it's a car to be experienced. Whether you're behind the wheel or sitting in the back, it delivers unmatched refinement, comfort, and prestige. And that wraps up our exclusive look at the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680. What are your thoughts on this new generation? Is it the ultimate luxury sedan, or do you think another brand can match its elegance and power? Let us know in the comments below. This is Org Autocar, bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on new car launches, reviews, and automotive technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.